Ladies and gentlemen, this evening I will recite the program philosophy and their goals of industrial security management. By the way, my name is Nel Umalay. So, so I will start the program philosophy. Management tool that is protective in nature, assured responsibility, effective and efficient use of resource security practitioners protect asset and prevent or minimize business interruption. A need for management and technical skills. Goals. Number 1. A strong foundation on fundamental theories of industrial security fundamental industrial security in its administration and understanding of constitutional guarantees of security. Number 2. Ability to prepare program for best approaches and practical application of these fundamental theories and concerns. Number 3. A comprehensive knowledge of diverse issues and concern affecting security in the industrial setting. Number 4. Competencies in the design of basic security system and their operation and their function such as but not limited to corporate and organizational security, internal office security, executive practice, intelligence and investigation, as well as security for vital instructions, instructors, such but not limited to seaports, airports, and their likes. Number 5. Knowledge, skills, attitude, and values for professional careers in industrial security management, in the practice of security profession. And that's all. Thank you, everyone. So, that's all. Thank you.